Also, Razer debuts Project Hazel. I'm gonna bring this up on screen. Luke, you wanna talk through this thing?
Which one is this? Is this that? Yeah, so this is their mask. I don't know for this one genuinely, but I will say Razer does have a bit of a track record of announcing things at CES that definitely never see the light of day. I could see this seeing the light of day, but yeah, it's a smart mask. It has these like RGB active filters on the side. Yeah, it says the mask concept is not for sale, but claims to have patent pending voice amplification technology. Kind of neat. The mask transparent design allows people to see the wearer's face, which is a maybe good and bad thing, depending on what your opinion on that is.
I
The
found it a
lights
lot
in
easier to yawn during meetings lately.
the lights inside the mask activate automatically in the dark. The Razer Chroma RGB is also making an appearance on the two lighting zones on the active filters, like I mentioned earlier. There's a wireless charging box that sanitizes the mask with UV light, which I believe would actually theoretically work, from my understanding. And as an aside, earlier in the coronavirus pandemic, Razer converted manufacturing facilities in China to make face masks, which is pretty neat. To date, they have distributed over 1 million masks globally. Very cool.
Good for them. Thanks, Razer.
I have actually been quite surprised that there hasn't been more substantial efforts to make fashion masks, to be honest.
I mean, didn't like one of the really, really high fashion brands do it
I think a few
at
of
some
the
point?
like Gucci's of the world have made them.
Yeah, didn't like Louis Vuitton do one or something like that? And it was like $1,000 or something. I don't
Probably,
remember.
but like I mean from like more reasonable companies. But I think that's probably because most of the goal of the mask manufacturers have just been volume, not style. So yeah, I don't know. It's interesting. It looks cool. I don't
Does look
think I'd
cool.
necessarily want one, but it definitely has the cool factor going
I
on.
would guess it's gonna be like $250 though. Just like looking at it and knowing Razer, like I don't think it'll be cheap.
Nice that it self sanitizes. I
Yeah,
wonder how they avoid it from fogging up like immediately. I know there's different methods that they can do, and those um, active ventilators probably help with that. But still, like, wow, yeah, it looks cool though. Every shot that they have with someone wearing it, it like looks pretty cool.
it kind of does.